Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 tour of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline in the short wheelbase. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. Getting straight into the video, this lovely van comes in a metallic paint colour bay leaf green. It also has daytime running lights across the front of the vehicle, along with some front fog lamps with a cornering function. Some of the safety features include front parking sensors as well as a front assist city braking system. The front bumper, along with the wing mirror caps, door handles and the rear bumper are all body matched to that lovely metallic paint colour bay leaf green. The vehicle is powered with a 2.0 TDI diesel engine and comes with a manual transmission gearbox. Across both of the front wings we have some lovely transporter detailing along next to the side indicator. This vehicle will also sit on the stylish 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, which come in a 5 twin-spoke start design. Here we can take a look at the wing mirror caps and the door handles, which are matched to that lovely body colour bay leaf green. Taking a look behind the single sliding passenger door, the load area comes fully and freshly ply lined, along with some lighting fixtures. The vehicle also comes with multiple lashing points in the rear, useful for securing those heavy or even fragile loads. Separating the cab and the load area is a full steel black bulkhead that provides an insulating layer from noise and temperature. This vehicle also comes fitted with a tailgate to the rear. Taking a look inside, we can take another look at that full steel black bulkhead as well as the fresh and fully ply lined load area. Jumping back to the exterior, above the rear number plate is where the rear view camera is located. Beneath this, on the rear bumper, are the parking sensors, which also display a coloured Part Pilot display within the cab. Again, if you would like to know anything more about this vehicle, then please do not hesitate to contact 0121 514 0632, where a member of our sales team will be more than happy to help you out. For now, let's quickly take a look at the interior. Behind the driver's door, the driver is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, as well as a 6.5-inch colour composition touchscreen infotainment system, along with comfortable seating. There is a single passenger seat finished in the bricks woven fabric in a titanium grey and palladium black colour. Armrests are provided for both driver and passenger alike. So with the exterior and a brief look at the interior covered, that will finish the 360 video. However, you can stick around, as in later on in this video we will explore that interior in much greater detail. So thank you very much for sticking around. The controls for the electric heated and power folding exterior mirrors are located on the driver's door card. Among the switches for the 2 front electric windows, a lock button for the rear load area, as well as a lock button for the 2 front doors. Moving over to the 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, this allows the driver to completely customize their driver experience. Over on the right hand side of the steering wheel, the driver can select from a variety of different options, such as driving data, assist systems, audio and telephone connectivity. Beneath this, there is a next and previous track button, which is helpful when on the audio and entertainment setting. Over on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the driver has the controls for the adaptive cruise control, as well as a speed limiter. This is first done by hitting the on button, and then with the plus and minus buttons, the driver can increase or decrease their desired speed. Beneath the cluster of black buttons on the left hand side are the controls for the volume up and volume down button, allowing the driver to have both hands on the wheel, allowing for a safer and more relaxed driving experience. Moving over to the 6.5-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system, this vehicle comes with App Connect. App Connect allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Apple Maps and Google Maps, listen to your favourite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. If it's radio stations that you prefer, then this vehicle comes with access to AM, FM as well as DAB radio, providing for a wide and varied list of different music genres. The infotainment system also comes with Bluetooth audio connect functions, as well as a slot for an SD card. Beneath this is the toggle button for the parking sensors, which, once an object comes within proximity of the vehicle, will trigger the coloured Park Pilot display system. Or once the reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will display on that colour touchscreen. Here you can see me flicking through a variety of different settings to provide a clearer view regardless of the lighting conditions. Beneath the infotainment system are the climate controls. This vehicle is perfect for no cold start on those winter mornings with a front heated windscreen, along with climatic air conditioning for those hot days. Beneath this and in the rest of the cab there are some 12-volt and USB-C outlets, providing you to stay charged on those business days ahead. And again, we'll take another look at that lovely bricks woven fabric finished in the titanium grey and palladium black. Throughout the cab there is also a carpeted interior for a more comfortable journey. So, ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude the 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 Highline in the short wheelbase. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. And if you like what you see in this video, then please feel free to hit that like button and hit subscribe to stay up to date with all of our latest stock. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.